I'm Ben from Alley Cat Games with Minis and Things. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of repair on my Lehman Russ tank from Games Workshop. I moved about a year ago and I haven't really had the time to go back and look at all of my models, and unfortunately, if you can see here, the tank track was damaged and I was only able to find one part of it. So due to that, I need to do some repairs on this tank and paint it up so that it matches the rest of the tank treads that are with the Lehman Russ. So for this, I have a couple of extra bits, and I have looked at them and seen that they match what's here. So if I were to put this guy where it goes on the track here, this piece measures the same size as the piece here, and this piece matches the same piece as the size here. If I see it, it goes like that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to glue it all together, make sure it all fits one more time, and we will come back to it being finished. Alright, so now that I've got the repairs complete and I've got my pieces glued in place, I am going to first go over it with lead belcher. As you can see with the other tank treads, they're originally silver. And then I'm going to be going over it in a white color to try and mimic the snow effect that's already on the treads and try to make it look like it fits. So now that I have the silver done, I've been looking over the model a little bit more, and it looks like in addition to the snow, there's a little bit of a brown on the treads. So I painted this model a couple of years ago. I don't remember exactly how I painted it, but I'm going to try and replicate that brown. I'm going to do a small, very light dry brush of a dark brown. So the brown being dry brushed on, you can see that the tank treads are a little bit darker and are starting to get a little bit closer to what the other tank treads look like. Next, I am going to take some white and I'm going to be doing a heavier dry brush of this, trying to get it to match the white of the rest of the tank treads. I'm also taking this time and I'm dry brushing a little bit more over the tank treads to add a little bit more white to them. I think that the tank could use it. With that, the repairs to the tank treads are complete. They fit in well with the other ones and they nearly match them in color. It's very hard to tell the difference now between the old track and the new track. So hopefully you can use this with your own model. This has been Ben with Alley Cat Gamings at Minis and Things. I hope you have a great rest of your day.